Hi, good morning. My name is Joseph Fly, and it looks like I'll be your instructor for this class this semester. Welcome to English 1302. This is Comp 2. This is a continuation of Comp 1, which you have taken and passed successfully. And this course consists of two main parts. It is an introduction to literature, so we do a little drama, some short stories, and some plays. We also do a lot of research writing. Now, this semester is a little different. If you've had this course before and you're retaking it now, you're going to find it's a little bit different. We've scaled back a little bit. There's only 4 quizzes this semester, plus the final. There's only 2 research papers, one short one and one long one, and fewer reading assignments. If you haven't had the chance to do so yet, take a few minutes. Go through Blackboard. Lots of new features there, lots of new things to get used to. So take a few minutes, go through Blackboard, kind of click around, see what is what and where is where. Then be sure that you print out your syllabus. The syllabus is one of those documents that is just very handy to have a hard copy of sitting in front of you. So I really encourage you to print out the syllabus. It's a list of all the policies for this semester, as well as a list of the assignments. Now, a couple of things I think we should talk about here real quick. First, of course, is the late work policy. Late work is not accepted, so be sure you get your stuff in on time. Discussions are due each Thursday. We're going to have 20 discussion posts this semester, so that means 1 or 2 each week. This week being a short week because classes didn't really start until Tuesday the 18th, and they're due Thursday. So this being a short week, we're only going to have 1. But after this week, we'll probably have 2 a week for the first several weeks, and then scale back to 1 later on. And there'll be some bonus posts later in the semester. Also, be sure to look on page 2 about the student responsibilities. You might want to look over the instructor responsibilities, the ADA statement, the technology requirements, the tech support, course objectives, COVID, Proctorio. We're using Proctorio for the first time ever in my classes. It's a tool designed to minimize cheating in online courses, and I expect there'll be a few hiccups here and there as we kind of learn this together. But don't be too worried about it. Don't get upset. Then you're going to notice on page 8, you have the assignments, and you'll notice it's divided into weeks. Okay, week 1, week 2, and that's because I'm teaching the same class twice online, but I'm teaching it 3 times face-to-face. So I teach 2 on Monday, Wednesdays, 1 on Tuesday, Thursdays, plus my online course. So this is just the easiest way to keep it all kind of similar and moving at the same pace. What it means to you is this. When you see an assignment, now your first assignment is not until next week, but you need to read Hamlet Act 1, which is only about 15 pages, but you need to read that before the beginning of week 2. And you certainly need to read it before you answer the discussion questions or before you start on the research paper. Okay? This week, all you need to do, look over the syllabus, look over the textbook. It's online. If you don't want that, you can opt out of the textbook program and buy a hard copy. That's fine. There are 2 PowerPoints up under the drama tab. The History of Drama and Life and Times of William Shakespeare. Be sure you look over those. I also posted a couple of videos, why to read Shakespeare, how to read Hamlet, Life and Times of William Shakespeare. A couple of those are TED Talks, really good. I encourage, and they don't take long, 8, 10, 15 minutes each. So I encourage you to take a few minutes and go through those at least once. A lot of this stuff you have to go through more than once. An online course is a curious animal because when you take my English 1302 in person, you're going to read the material, come to class, I'll explain it, we'll discuss it, and that way you'll get a good understanding of the material. In an online course, it's pretty much up to you to read it, maybe do a little bit of supplemental research, read it again, look some words up. It's up to you to find that meaning there. Now, of course, I'm here to answer your questions, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Please feel free to email me 2 or 3 times a day if you need to, jfly@southlandscollege.edu. But don't forget, depending on your schedule and your things going on in your life, your personal preferences, you're more than welcome to join us in class. My classes meet, hang on, my 1302 meets Monday and Wednesday at 9:30 and at 1 o'clock. You can come to either one of those, or Tuesday, Thursdays at 9:30, and those are all in the same classroom, room 310, which is in Building 3 on the Reese campus. Okay. So anyway, follow the syllabus, follow the calendar. Be sure that you're reading ahead, that you're not reading behind, and be sure you do the homework before you answer the discussion posts or take the quizzes or write the papers. It's all geared toward the fact that you have read and understood the assignments before you do any of those other things. Okay? All right. I'm looking forward to a good semester. I'm sure that you'll learn a lot. I hope you get a lot out of the course. And again, if you have any questions at all, I hope you'll let me know. I look forward to a good semester working with you. Thanks.